primetime news this evening, man who was electrocuted on the weekend loses hand and leg. Fading hope, Mario Dean's mom doubtful after a decade of no justice. And COVID-19 cases on the rise.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, we'll have the latest from the NCB Financial Group. They made a higher profit in their most recent quarter. So I'll have the details a little later on.
And Giovanni Dennis is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Giovanni?
Well, not the best of news, Anthony. Jamaica failed to add to its medal tally of 6 so far on day 9 of athletics at the Paris Olympics. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, as the Paris Olympic Games are coming to a close, what were some of your favorite moments?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.